Hey friends, welcome back to the another video. Today we are going to talk about 5 ways you can get paid for your content writing, or 5 ways you can earn as a content writer. I have been into the freelancing for the last 2 to 3 years and I have learned so many things and different ways to monetize your writing or different ways to monetize your content writing. Before we get into the topic, I have created one absolutely free course on the Skillshare where I shared everything about the freelancing, like how to start and the master freelancing. In that class I have talked about how to get client, how to manage your time, how to price your services, like everything in detail I have shared. It's about 1 hour long class. The link in the description. Make sure you take that class and you will learn so many new things about the freelancing from my experience. Content writing is definitely a good career if you love writing, if you have the creative ideas, if you can write really well, if you can write SEO friendly articles, then definitely you can make a really good amount of money as a content writer. But if you are a beginner, if you are in India, there are few ways, or there are 5 ways I believe that you can monetize your content writing, or 5 ways you can earn as a writer. First way you can monetize, or first way you can earn as a writer, is through magazines. So in India there are lots of magazines. Obviously all over the world there are hundreds of thousands of magazines available, but in India there are a lot of magazines available where you can submit your articles and you can get paid for that article. So obviously the magazine is all about editors, writers, graphic designers. So every company consists of these kind of people, but they need creative writers. They need who can write good piece of content, who can write something beautiful, and they pay usually for that content. So there are different magazines available in the India. You just have to pick up the right magazine that suits your career, that magazine that can showcase your content and you can get paid for it. So now the thing is how to get into the magazine, or how to submit your articles to the magazine. So there are different ways. First, you can go on their website, check out their article section or write for them section, and just apply into that write for them section, and then you can submit your articles to them. First magazine I know is Asia Literature Review. This magazine is consist about a lot of niche. It's not only about the books, it's not only about the reviews. This magazine is consist a lot about the reviews, and you can go onto their website, you can check their conditions and you can apply for them. There are no submission fee for to submit the articles, but if your article is good, if they select your article, then you will definitely get paid for that article. Second magazine I know is Indian Literature or the Sahitya Academy. Basically the reason why I am adding the Indian Literature, because most of the audience wanted to write into the Hindi. बहुत लोगों को हिंदी में भी लिखना है. So if you are the person who want to write into the Hindi or submit articles into the Hindi, then make sure you check out the Indian Literature, where you don't have any submission fee. Even they don't disclose the how much amount you will get paid. But from my experience, the monthly expense or the monthly income for if you write for the magazine is around 5k to 8k. It's not more than that. But if you are into the college, if you are completely free, then you can definitely think about the magazine. You can apply for those magazines and you can submit your articles. So average payment for these magazines is around 5k to 8k, sometimes 10k. The weekly you will work around 50 to 20k per month, depend on your your niche, your topic. The job will be definitely remote. You don't have to go anything. That's the first way you can earn money through your writing, just by submitting your articles or the content piece to the different magazines. The second way you can earn money through your writing is write for the websites. So you on the Facebook, Instagram, you came across a lot of pages. Like there are pages like LBB, WhatsApp Live, BuzzSpeed, Scroll. A lot of these websites are available, and you can write for these websites, and you will get paid some kind of amount for your writing. So basically how these things work, you have to go on their website again, check out their writing section, career section, or write for them section. You can go check out their apps, you can go check out their website. You will find the career or write section and check out what are their requirement for the writing. Sometimes you have to build your portfolio, sometimes you need some kind of basic things, and I have shared everything how to build portfolio and everything in my Skillshare class. So make sure you take that class to understand how those things work. So when you are writing for the website, these people or these brand also looking for the people who can write on the latest book, who can write on the movies, who can write the differences, who can write on the trending topics. So all of these Gen Z criteria, where you have to write on the trending topics or you have to write on the latest topics. So if you are that kind of person who can write different trendy topics, who can write on the bitcoins, who can write on the Elon Musk, who can write on the Dogecoins. So if you're that kind of person, or if even if you can write the book reviews or the difference between the books and the movies, if you are that kind of person, make sure go on, check their website and apply as a writer for website. Now let's talk about, if you write for the website, what will be the average payment. So monthly payment varies from 10,000 to 50, 20,000, depends on your experience. But here you can apply for a different, a lot of websites, and you can write for the different website. Like if I'm in the Pune, I will go check out the LBB or WhatsApp Live or the scroll section, where are like what they are doing into the Pune. If they are doing nothing into the Pune, then there are high chances that I am the right person to write for them. So you have to find these kind of opportunities. So the monthly expense varies between 10k to 20k, depends on your expertise. The job will be definitely a remote. You don't have to go anywhere. You can work from anywhere. So the job will be the remote. The flexibility hour is 30 to 40 hours. Like you have to work, you have to complete their articles, you have to submit articles before the deadline. Third way you can earn money is by content writing. So first understand what is the difference between content writing and the writing for a website. When you write for a website, there is always a name written by XYZ or written by Ronak Shah. So that's something writing for the website. When you become as a content writer, or when you try to get into the content writing, it's a kind of a ghost writing. You will not get any credit. You are just writing for that person, or you are just writing for that website, and that will be completely anonymous. So you will not get any kind of a credit if you write for the creative, or if you become as a content writer. I already made one video on the content writing. You can go check that out, where I discussed everything about step-by-step guide how you can start your content writing journey and how you can earn money through it. So I'm not going to deep dive into this topic. I will directly jump into the monthly income. So the monthly income for the content writer, if you are completely newbie, there are two ways you can get. Either you can apply pay per word, like you will get payment per word, or you can directly settle as, if you are into the company, you have to directly settle for the monthly income. So pay per word, if you are a newbie, it varies between 0.20 to 0.30, 0.50. If you are experienced, it varies between 0.50 to around 1 rupees, 2 rupees, depends on your experience. But if you are into the agency, or if you apply as a company, then the payment varies for the newbies around 8k to 10k to 15k. But if you are experienced, it goes around 30k, 40k, and above that also. Depends on how well you can structure article, how well you can write. The job will be obviously the remote job. The risk will definitely high, because ultimately your writing is going to be present on all over the world. Fourth way you can earn money as a writer is by applying to the publisher house. Like there are a lot of publisher house available in India. Like there is HarperCollins, Bloomsbury, Hachette, a lot of publisher house available in India. And the publisher houses consist of marketing team, PR team, cover designers, editors, creators, writers, a lot of people. Like there is an individual team, and every team has some kind of importance into the publisher house. So you have to find out where you settle. Like obviously we are talking about the content, so you will either become an editor or a proofreader, that kind of thing. But if you have interest in other things, you can definitely try. So when you apply for the publisher house, either you can be as an editor, like if you are really great with grammar, you can apply as a proofreader to check out all the readings about the manuscript, or you can apply as a copywriter also. So that's the two jobs available into the publisher house. It's definitely good. How to apply for the publisher house? First, go on their website, they check out the career section, whether they are hiring or not. Second way, keep eye on their Twitter or the Instagram. They usually post when they have open position. They try to post on Instagram or the Twitter. So after that you can go and apply for them. But you need some kind of experience, you need portfolio before you get into the publisher house. Now let's talk about the income when you get into the publisher house. So if you are a completely newbie, if you are joining as a junior or an internship, the payment will vary between 8k to 15k, not more than that. As you get experience, if you are the experienced person who have 2-3 years of experience into the proofreading or the editor, then the payment varies between 30k to 40k or above that, depends on how well you do your job. The location will be obviously the office. It's not ultimately the work. You cannot work from home. Obviously you can sometimes, but majority of the work is from your office, because you cannot release the manuscript, you cannot take manuscript to the house. The reason I know all of those things, because I work into the book industry. I know how the publisher house works and how the everything structure into the publisher house. So publisher house is another way you can monetize your writing. The last and my favorite way is create your own blog. Just buy your domain. There is a link in the description. You can get a domain. You will get 25 to 30% free on domain and hosting. So you can buy a domain, buy a hosting, and start your own blog. Well, blogging, it's not just about writing, it's beyond that. You have to understand how to write really good blogs. You have to understand how to structure your blog. You have to understand how to rank your blog on the first page. You have to understand SEO. You have to understand metadata. You have to understand a lot of things. But that will definitely help you in the future. If you are apply as a SEO expert, then that will definitely help you. You can design your own website. That's the thing you are going to learn. But writing a blog, it's not that easy. Or writing a blog, it's not that easy. The payment and the everything is definitely a good if you are starting your own blog, but it's definitely hard also. Obviously here you can work in your free time, you can work as a side hustle also, but if you are serious, you can definitely start about thinking your own blog. If you are into the small business, or if you pick up a very small niche, there are high chances that you will make really good amount of money into the blogging also. I started blogging in 2015, like 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. From 2019 I started making some kind of money with the blogging. So it takes a lot of time to get into the blogging, but obviously if I was not serious, I was doing just for the time pass. But if I was serious, I would have done a lot better into the blogging. So if you want to get into the blogging, then make sure you can learn a lot of things, and you are ready to learn a lot of new things also. Like SEO, advanced SEO, and lot of new data. Now let's talk about monthly income for the blogging. Well, it starts from the 0 rupees to sometimes 10,000, 20,000 to the 1 lakh. Depends on how well you can design your blog, how well you can rank your blog. In the blogging, there are a lot of ways available. First one is you can make your own ads. Second one, sponsored plus. Third one, affiliate links. A lot of ways you can do into the blogging. So that's the reason I believe that everyone should start their own blog, and everyone should have their own website where they write good stuff and they can get paid after 2 to 3 years. The reason it takes a lot of time, because it is a little bit hard to do the thing. Here you can work from anywhere. The payment is varied. There is a subdivision of this starting a blog is start your own newsletter. Like I have my own newsletter where I share weekly updates about what I do, what I'm reading, what are the things I'm working on. And you can structure your blog around the newsletter, and you can start your weekly newsletter also, where you share everything about your blog, your journey. So that's the another way you can monetize your blog. Another way you can think about getting paid as a writer is film writing or the script writing, then public speaking writing, write your own book. Like there are a lot of ways available. You just have to be creative and you just have to find the opportunity. But I have no idea how these things work, like writing for the film or writing for the public speakers. I don't have any idea about these topics, so I'm not going to talk about these. So here are the 5 different ways you can earn money as a content writer, or you can get paid for your writing. Now let me know what is your favorite topic out of these 5 things, and here is a video you can check if you want to need a step-by-step guidance about how to start your freelancing journey. And here is another video that I made where I shared the top jobs available into the India that will make you rich, or where you can get high payment. So see you in the next video.